Okay, I just want to show you guys. I just bought. Drum roll, please. Okay, I just bought an Arctic Wolf. Ba-bam. Okay, I will show you guys my Arctic Wolf. Ba-bam. It is amazing. This guy right here. That is me. That is all me. 'Cause I am boss. I'm a boss. I'm a boss. Yes, I am. I'm a boss. 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 Oh my gosh. That was kind of weird. I am weird. I'm very weird. Oh, snow leopard. So that's what they look like. Alright, whatever. And you gotta see this. Wait, first to my look. I have a legendary glove, a spike, a sword, a top hat, a freedom top hat, and elf tail. But first, look at this. There's a huge smile on my face right now. Look at all this plushie. Look at this. It's amazing. I kind of got that from SS Sunday. He does Minecraft videos, and when something awesome he goes up, he's like, look at this. Yeah, he does Minecraft videos. So please subscribe to me. Please, please, please. Oh my gosh. That was a huge burp. Oh gosh, I gotta take off my school clothes. That was so tight. My jeans are. I'm still wearing clothes. I just put on my relaxing home clothes because my school clothes suck. I hate them. They're bleh. They're bleh. Yeah. That's all I can say about school. It is bleh. That was my desk puking noise. Gosh, I'm horrible. So that's kind of gonna wrap up this video. So like, comment, subscribe, and we're out.